guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be making a coffee scrub to exfoliate our body and face for any dark pigmentation with the things that we already have at home. So we're going to take our bowl to mix all the ingredients and a spoon to mix, right? So to begin with, we're going to start with our melted coconut oil. So for you to melt your coconut oil, you're going to scoop half cup of a coconut oil into our bowl and put it in the microwave for about 1 minute. So after 1 minute, you're going to let your coconut oil to kind of little bit like cool down before you add your olive oil. So for our olive oil, we're going to add 1/3 of olive oil, then followed by 1 full cup of our brown sugar, as well as our coffee grounds, right? Then you're going to mix all your ingredients. Then there's the benefit of the coffee scrub that I really like, that has helped me in my recovery. As you already know, that I was once involved in accident whereby I was burned by the hot oil. So the scars that I was remained with, they were kind of like dark pigmented, more than my normal skin tone. So I've been exfoliating. This will help you to exfoliate and remove all the residual dirt as well as the dead skins, right? So that you can get your skin tone back, right? As well as a glowing skin tone. So how you use this scrub is you're gonna gently massage the mix into your skin in a circular motion, as you can already see what I'm doing here, for about 2 to 3 minutes before you go into the shower, right? So after your shower, you're just going to lightly pat your skin dry and apply a moisturizer. So for the good results, I'll advise that you repeat this scrub for about 2 to 3 times in a week, right? Do not overdo it, because once you start to overdo it, you're going to irritate your skin, and this is not what we are trying to achieve here, right? So I just want to say, guys, if you have been in my circle, if you really like what I'm doing, kindly like, subscribe, share to your family. Maybe someone want to remove any dead skins in your body. You can use this everywhere in your body, for the scars, for the pimple, for stretch marks, for almost everything. So kindly like, subscribe, and share to your family and friend, and I'll see you on my next video. So one thing I almost forgot, that if you want to store this mix, you're just going to use any jar or any container of your choice. But for me, I'm going to be using our jar. It's a glass jar that I had already. You don't have to go and purchase this jar. You can use the empty container that you have at home. Maybe you were using even a plastic container. Just store it there, keep it in your bathroom. Just know when you need it, it's going to be available in the bathroom, right? And for me to remember it, it's for the best I keep it in the bathroom, so that when I scrub, it's going to be there and be available. So yeah, see you guys on my next video. Hopefully you like my videos. Kindly like, subscribe, and share to your friends and family. So yeah, see you then.